So let me show you the next OnlyFans 2.0, Twitter. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. Now, a few months ago, Elon Musk purchased Twitter for $44 billion, as you probably know. Since he acquired Twitter, now known as Twitter 2.0, it has undergone some massive changes, constantly undergoing changes each and every day. Today, I just noticed the new addition of communities, which is pretty much just like Facebook groups or even likened to a subreddit on Reddit. Now, let me explain to you why I think this will be the OnlyFans 2.0. I reckon you'll be able to have OnlyFans, obviously. I don't think that's going anywhere. It is a massive platform. Despite the several bugs that seem to plague the platform nearly on a daily basis, that confuses me because they must make a shitload of money, so why aren't they fixing anything? I reckon this will be an addition where models can also sell their content. Let me show you how. Now, I'm sure everyone's familiar with Twitter. You make a Twitter account, go make some short tweets. Wrong. You can do that. Now you can make long tweets, but they are introducing this creators platform. I thought I'd bring up Elon Musk. I was looking for an account that could show subscriptions and show some examples of, selling subscriptions to their content. And then I thought of the man himself, Elon Musk. So as you can see, they've introduced this creators platform here, which allows you to subscribe to a user, and then you'll get to see their subscription-only tweets, which are locked behind a paywall. Now, of course, you can set the subscription price to whatever you want, and then after purchasing, you'll become their subscriber. So on a monthly basis, you'll pay X amount of dollars, and you'll be able to see their subscription-only tweets that are now listed in their own category upon clicking on an account. Now, that is one revenue stream, similar to OnlyFans, except you can do your marketing and your monetizing now on the same platform. On OnlyFans, the only way you could usually do this is creating a free page and then funneling people to a paid page, but you still need to market the OnlyFans account. You can't just grow it organically like you can with Instagram and Twitter within the platform itself. You can't just go on OnlyFans, search hashtags, and start doing the follow-unfollow method. That won't work. You have to funnel from a major social media platform to OnlyFans itself. But with Twitter, you can organically grow it by doing methods such as the follow-unfollow method or the Gary Vee's $80 strategy, and then incorporate monetization within your account on top of the free account. I don't know if I explained that right. So you have your free Twitter account, and then you can apply for their creators platform, which means that you'll convert your Twitter account to a professional account. That's free. And then you apply to be a creator. Now, as far as I know, I'm pretty sure you have to have at least 1,000 followers to be eligible to apply to be a creator, something like that. Worst case, you can get fake followers. And then that's it. Then you can start creating subscriptions. Now, because it's new, it is still has some bugs. It's still a bit slow. It's still not as fancy as it could be, but this is only the beginning. It's only going to get bigger and bigger. So you have this. You can create a Twitter page like this lovely girl here. This isn't one of our models, by the way. It's just an example I saw that didn't have any nudity directly on it. So I thought I could show it on YouTube safely. So you can create an account like this. Let's hope there's no nudity above. We're good. See if she's not doing it yet. This is why I'm making this YouTube channel. So you can create an account similar to this. Personally, I reckon a little more tame than this. I would suggest a safe of work, kind of usual, typical life, day-to-day kind of Twitter, posting selfies at a cafe, posting selfies of you with friends, at the beach, stuff like that. So it looks like a totally legitimately normal girl's account. And then you create the subscription based content, which is what you see here, obviously with nudes and that included. then you charge whatever you want, and boom, you got another OnlyFans. Now, the only difference is obviously you cannot sell within the DMs yet. Now, you may have heard, it's still a bit of a rumor, but apparently they will be releasing Twitter coins or some kind of currency similar to this in the future where people will be able to tip creators and give money to creators. Now, it won't be selling directly in the DMs like PPVs, like OnlyFans, but I'm sure there will be a way to do something similar where you can exchange content for Twitter coins. May not be pay-per-view as such. Actually, maybe it will be. From what I hear, Elon has big plans for the creators on Twitter and media, videos, stuff like that. They want to make this like another YouTube. Well, actually better than YouTube. So this will answer that question. So if they roll this out, I'm not sure if these are legitimate. I've heard a lot of this. So while it may not look like this, from what I hear, will be something similar. So there'll be Twitter coins, which will be another revenue stream where people can purchase content. Then you'll have the subscription model on top of your normal Twitter account, which you can actually organically grow, unlike OnlyFans. And then you can even create your own community. So the opportunities are endless. And Twitter is only growing and adding more and more features every day. So this is what I reckon will be the OnlyFans 2.0. No, I don't reckon it will replace OnlyFans, but I reckon it'll be a great addition. Now, I reckon this will get even bigger than OnlyFans and have even bigger potential, but why just promote on one account? So I would stick to the OnlyFans, and I would seriously start investing in a Twitter account now. Even though it's still growing, I would already start putting some content on there and experimenting with it because it's going to be huge. So that's it. Now, it wouldn't be a video if I don't shamelessly promo the Empire forums. They're growing every day. I think we are at 315 members. Check this out. Bam, we're getting huge. Now let's get a Telegram for the VIPs. Categories, endless categories. We've got chatting scripts. We've got how to do banking, proxies, how to outreach, setting up models, how to create content, Instagram, Twitter, yes, the dating app methods, yes, awesome Reddit methods. We literally have everything. Automation like ChatGPT, how to set up virtual assistants. We got a group buys if you want to all put in to buy something. It is fantastic. Anyway, so if you like the content, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on Empire Forums. Have a good day.